Yeah, I'm at a threat. I for that bitch, I'ma lay up. I get the money, no love.
Alright, I'm about to teach y'all how to sound like SSGKOBE on BandLab, or how to make his ad-libs, and the vocal presets needed to do that. But before we get into it, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. You even gotta listen to the music on the channel, just subscribe please. Let's get into it. It ain't gonna sound exactly like his ad-libs because you're not SSGKOBE, but I'm just gonna give y'all the vocal presets. First you'll need the BL1176, then D delay, then add some gain, studio reverb, and TechLab. If y'all made it this far, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.
And we aiming at your head regardless.